What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Frosty the Snowman. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw an oval for the nose. We're going to start from the very top in the middle. Just going to stretch this out towards the side, come down across the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind the top of the nose, leaving a gap in the center. Let's move over towards the left side and draw an oval going up towards the top. Come down and just tuck that in towards the side of the nose. Move over towards the right and do the same thing, going up towards the same height. Come down the side and then bend that in. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. Starting on the left, draw a small oval, going up and then down. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now I want to give our character a large smile, so we're going to start all the way over on the left side, curve this down underneath the nose, and then bend that up towards the right. And then on the left side, let's add a curve, coming down and then out. Let's open up the mouth along the center. On the left side, bend this down and then up. Now I want to place the hat on top of the head, so let's line up with the top of the eye all the way over on the left side, curve this up and then down. Let's go back to the left side and draw an oval going around the head. Going out on the left, bend this in underneath the chin, go all the way across the right side, and then up towards the top of the hat. In the center, we're going to step up and add a curve for the hat brim, come down, and then up. Let's round out the top, come down the side, and then just tuck that in towards the side of the head. Now from these 2 points, let's step out, curve the hat, going up and then out. Close off the top with another curve, going up and then down. Now I'm going to place a flower over on the right side of center. Let's start with a circle in the middle. And then along the top, draw another circle just tucked in along the inside. And then on the left, we're just going to work our way around, just adding these petals. Along the bottom, we're going to add that curve for the band. We're going to go up and then in behind that flower, continue down on the right. Now we're going to move down and draw on the scarf. Let's start in the center of the head. We're just going to bend the scarf going out and then down. Bend this out and then up towards the side. Now I want to draw that same curve along the outside, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's go all the way over towards the left side. Just going to curve the scarf coming down. Now we just want to tuck that in, go over towards the right, and continue that curve going up underneath the head. Let's add some stripes going across the scarf. We're going to start in the middle, bend this out towards the left, and then back in, step out. I'm just going to draw 2 more on the left side, and then on the right, go in the opposite direction. Now I'm going to add some stripes going across, going up along the bottom, and we'll add 2 more. Now from the side of the scarf, let's step down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start on the left, bend this out, and curve the body coming in. Let's line this up on the right, going out, down, and then in towards the same height. Let's line up with the hips in towards the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, round out the top of the foot, and we'll bend that down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now underneath the hips, we're going to step out, angle this down and out on top of the feet. Now we're going to move back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding the broom. We're going to start from the side of the scarf, bend the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist. Now from the wrist, we're going to curl the thumb. We're going to go up, bend this down towards the tip of the thumb, round up the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's curl 3 fingers around the outside, starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in. Let's move down to the bottom, add another oval, going around just up underneath the thumb, and then we'll draw one more. Let's draw the handle of the broom. Starting underneath, draw 2 straight lines coming down, and we'll round out the bottom. Let's continue these 2 lines along the top of the hand to right about there. Close this off with a straight line. Now from the top corners of the handle, I'm just going to bend this out and then go up along the side. Let's flatten off the top, step down and draw another line. Now from the top corners, we're going to go straight up and out towards the side of the broom. And we want to connect the top with a curve, but we're going to add a notch. Going up, in about halfway. Let's add that notch. Going down and back up. Continue that curve coming in. From the bottom finger, let's step down, add the palm. Coming in and then up. Step down, curve the arm coming in and up towards the side of the body. Now we're going to line up the inside of the arm all the way over on the right side, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Let's add a half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now from the bottom of the thumb, let's add 3 fingers. We go around that bracket and bend that in, step down, add the second finger. Now I want to draw the 3rd finger blending into the arm going up towards the scarf. We'll go up, bend that in. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Frosty the Snowman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.